What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos and be part of the family. Make sure you go check out the merch. The link is in the bio, and make sure you check out my website as well. That's also in the bio. So today I'm in LA. Right now I am in LA. So we're about to go out. A lot of you guys have been asking, yo Ron, do more vlogging, vlog your day, do what you do, what are you doing, this and that. So that's basically what we're gonna do. Of course, I'm gonna obviously make it about cars somehow. So a subscriber is gonna actually come and get me, and we're gonna actually go hang out and literally just chill. So we're gonna check out his Mustang, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do today. Really not sure. We're kind of probably gonna go out, check out LA, see if we can link up with some more subscribers. But yeah, so we're about to have an awesome day, and I already hear him coming. That thing is loud. Let's get it. Wow, this thing looks crazy. What up? Guys, he literally has the exact same Mustang except a different seat. So we're gonna hopefully pick on some scat packs. So if you're from, you know, LA and you have a scat pack, you wanna get gapped. You know, because a lot of people talk bad about these, you know. There's so many fake videos out there of these losing to scat packs, but I've beat like 10 of them. Anything with a 392, I've beaten it. I've beaten it. Too. Like SRT, Daytona, a shaker, everything. They literally, because every time I'd race one, they're like, oh, race this one. So I literally went down the row, and every 392 that was ever, anything that was with a 392, I destroyed it. Yeah. Literally. People don't understand.
Lighter cars.
Dude, you're 800 pounds lighter. You're only 20 horsepower crank, which is, what's that, like 7 wheel? So yeah. 7 wheel and 800, you know, and 10 speed.
Yeah, 10 speed.
The 10 speed just,
this is amazing.
Dude, it shifts at 7,300, bro.
It's amazing. Like
it's crazy. So we're about to go get some breakfast right now. Dude, your color is sick.
Thank you.
Did it come with the stripes?
No, I had it on that.
Dude, that's what I'm trying to do too, but. There's a Rolls Royce right there with a girl driving it. Okay. Wow, his exhaust is so loud. We're waking up all these rich people. Look at that. Oh, I need these. So is this a whole thing, or is it just the tips?
No, it's a whole camper.
Oh my god, this thing is sick. Those tires look very wide, and the wheels look sick. Okay, I see the red, looks good. And you blacked out the badges. You could finally see the brakes. They look so good, red. And the stripes look good. Oh, that you had front plates?
Yeah.
I don't have that, even though my car was from a state that needed them.
Really?
They didn't end up putting them.
The dealer, I came at the freaking...
Guys, this thing is sick. And check out his carbon fiber spoiler. This thing, let me show you guys.
I would put it in the sun so you can see it better. It's not popping out.
He's about to start it. Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. This thing is lit. So, if any of you guys have an 18, his fans just randomly came on for no reason. Mine has never done this. If any of you guys know the reason why, I mean, obviously just trying to cool the car down, but I don't know why mine's not doing that. He has an auto too, so he's already showing off. Since he doesn't have the bucket seats like I do, he has cooled seats, and he's, you know, he's showing off. I'm gonna turn his heated seats on. To check out the scene here is ridiculous. Guys, check out that 4x4. Oh my god, that thing is legit sick right there. Wow. Sick M3. We're on Rodeo Drive at the moment. Look at that. Okay. Okay, we got a Rolls Royce over here. Rodeo Drive. A little Ferrari. So the M3 got pulled over. So we're gonna chill because we're not trying to get pulled over. But it's a situation here. This guy's trying to back up. This Ferrari's like, I'm gonna chill too. We just parked. About to go get some food. Got police all over here. Got a Ferrari here. This thing looks lit.
Yeah. So I can. My place is pretty close. Like.
I was missing my water. Out of water and I'm missing.
Look at that.
Water. Out of water.
Yeah, I know.
And that's how we destroy some pizza. Just got done eating. We're gonna go check out the McLaren dealership. So this is gonna be so lit. Like, this is my dream car. And I wanted to come as soon as we got here. It's in Beverly Hills, so we're gonna go and check it out. We got a red one, an orange one. There's a blue one back there, and a bunch of Rolls Royce cars. Wow, so much motivation here. So much motivation. I love this red though. This is what spec I'd get. I think I love the wheels too on these.
570 GT.
Yeah, the GT has a nice interior, but these wheels are sick. Check out that blue. Look at all of them. So next stop is RDBLA. I've been there before, going back again. So the thing is, traffic is so bad here, even though it's not that bad right now. But we're traveling 3 miles, and it's gonna take us 20 minutes to go 3 miles, which is never unheard of from where I'm from. But yeah, that's what it is. So we're gonna go check RDBLA, see if they got any cool cars. They usually always have cool cars, so we're gonna go check them out. We just seen a SV while we were just driving, and it looks insane. The things you see here, it's just crazy, and just motivates you to just work harder. Honestly, like, check out RDBLA. Check out this Lambo. This thing is destroyed. And another Ferrari. We made it. RDBLA. Alright guys, so we're gonna say bye to RDBLA. I don't even know what else we're gonna do, but dude, this spot is so, like, it's so sick. Every time I come to LA, I gotta visit it, and wow. And they also got Logan Paul's G-Wagon back there too, which is really dope. This is so much motivation. I'm soaking in so much that, like, man, I'm so excited for what the future will hold. We're about to get some smoothie right now. We just snuck into a university's campus, so that's the only place we can find smoothies. So literally, we got here and it closed, like right on that dot. We got there at 4 and it closed. So I just went through all this trouble sneaking into this university, but now I'm about to go take his car and go drive it to see if it feels like mine. We're about to go take it for a drive. So good. Where do I go?
Make up that.
Whew.
No, don't. Actually, just go on the main street here. There's fucking tips for it. See that little cricket?
Dude, the suspension has gotten so much better with this. I literally tried to, like,
yeah,
go sideways with that, you know, and it still didn't.
You can't, bro. Just go straight. Alright, second gear. Second gear circles up there.
I like my third gear for some reason. It's too high. You see, that's drag mode. You see what it's doing?
Yeah.
How it's just every time it's shifting, it's throwing you. You're never gonna get that with sport mode or track. exhaust sounds so good. Drag a skin back. Off a 40-year-old too. Oh man, that 40 felt good. This guy scraped so bad. Yeah, bro. The 40's good.
So now I'll definitely do drag strip.
Huh?
I'll definitely start doing drag strip.
Yeah, did you not just see what it just happened? Like how it just jumped? So when it's throwing you, it's jumping by like 7 miles per hour.
Sure.
What is this? What is Rush doing? Look how it just throws you up every time it shifts. It tracks him to hold the field. I would race that though, low key. Do 40 roll second gear. We're back. This thing looks good. What do you guys think of the wheels? Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys think these wheels are sick? If I should get them just for the front, because I'm gonna have 17s on the back. But yeah, this thing looks legit. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram right now. Oh, look at that. And we got, some fan real quick. Not of me, but likes the car. Alright guys, so it's been a long day. We had so much fun. We did so much. I hope you guys love all the vlogging that I've been doing. So you guys asked for it. I gave it to you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. So make sure you guys go check out my website in the description below. I got some limited hoodies in there. There's like only a few left, so it's a total of 10. I think there might be 1 or 2 left, so go check that out. But anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos, and I will see you guys next video. If you're from LA, DM me on Instagram and let's make some content. And I want to check out the cool cars that you guys got. Peace out and stay positive.